Yes, good evening all. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir. Good evening. Sir, you will discuss paper.
Yes, I'll. If you want me to discuss the question paper, we will discuss the question paper. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, children? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Yes. So,
Hello, sir.
yeah. Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm new, sir. Till now, how many chapters have been finished?
Yes. Who is this?
Sir, Sai Chiran, sir.
Yes. Hi, Sai children. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Can you please introduce yourself, Sai children? Welcome to the Chanakya.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, means I already joined Chanakya, sir. This is second time thing.
Okay.
I'm from Samskar school and
You're from?
I'm in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you studying?
Sir, I'm studying in Samskar school.
Okay, where are you from? Hyderabad. I mean, which school you are studying? Sanskar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, till now, how many chapters have been finished, sir?
Yes, we done with only quadratic questions and we started with the real numbers, which is a very simple topic. So we are about to finish that real numbers topic as well. So probably within 2 classes, we'll be finishing that real numbers topic as well. So we're done with quadratic equations. So make sure that you just go through the recordings. So and if you find any difficulties, you just ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Where can I find the recordings?
Yeah. Who is this?
Ma'am, so this is Tuvanya.
Tuvanya. Hi, Tuvanya. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
I think you are a new to this institute,
Yes, sir.
Dr. Chanakya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, okay, Truvanya, welcome to Chanakya. So, you can find out the recordings in like I'll show you now. You can find out the recording links in Google Classroom. Okay, so you have a Google Classroom. So, if you choose, look at this. This is 10 ACT 2022-23. Can you find that option on the left hand side? If I just click that, you can
Sir,
just
can you put it in the WhatsApp, sir.
No, no, no. Actually, we cannot share in the WhatsApp. So everything would be uploaded in the Google Classroom. So make sure that you ask.
In the
Yeah, yeah.
Google.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I'll tell you. Yes, you will understand it clearly. Just what I'm trying to say. Please, uh, if you go through that, you will understand it. See, you will get this link of Google Classroom, you can ask Sirisha ma'am. She will provide you. So as soon as she send you the link, you just join this Google Classroom. So if you just go through this one, you will find out the lecture recordings. Look at this here recording. Can you see quadratic equations recordings here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is a quadratic equation lecture 4 recording basically. So actually, but there are like one or two. Oh, yeah, one recording is missing due to some technical issue. We couldn't upload that. So recently we just updated everything in in Google Classroom. So if you don't find that, we have a YouTube channel. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel. If you go through that, so if you go through that, or if you just go to the playlist, if you go to the playlist, now look at this here. Can you find uh, cluster mathematics here 2022 23? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if you just click on that on the playlist, so what happens is you can see all the lectures which we have done so far. So you could just go through that and watch whatever you want and get clarified with that. You understand my point?
Yes.
So you can avoid first lecture if you want. The first lecture was all about like it was derivatives lecture, so which is like somewhat a high level concept, in fact, which is not required for your standard. So we thought of starting with somewhat advanced level topic, but in fact, yeah, many students were not okay with that. So again, we just came back to quadratic equations. So you start with the lecture to look at this quadratic equation lecture 1 and quadratic. Okay, you just go to these 5 lectures or 4 lectures, you really will understand the concept of the particular topic. You can really start solving the questions from that. It's very simple, very simple. All right, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one thing I was not there in Google Classroom, sir. What is the ID, sir?
That is what Shreyan, that is what I told. See, if anyone don't have that particular Google Classrooms link, you make sure that you just are contacting Mr. Sirisha ma'am. She will definitely help through that. All right, getting my
Okay, sir.
point?
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. So clear? Understood, guys? Understood the process? Those who are new to the class, those who are not aware of going through all this. So hope you guys understood what exactly can be done for this. Clear?
Yes.
So how we can
Yes.
go through the recordings and watch through all. So yes, if at all you guys have any doubts, you can just text me whenever you are free so that I'll give a solution for that. And number 2 point, if you have any technical issue that if you're not able to find out that regarding that notes and whatever, so please make sure that you are contacting Sirisha ma'am. And I mean technical issue in the sense like not joining through the exam, not joining through, if you're not able to just connect to the Google Classroom, if you're not able to open something, you can just feel free to contact them. And if at all you are not able to see any kind of notes, let's say if I'm uploading the notes, let me show. Look at this. For example, look at this. This is a just now I shown you the Google Classroom, right? If you just open this, look at this here. Uh, Yes, look at the real number lecture one notes. This real number lecture one notes dated on 25/04/2022, right? So if I just click on this, you must be able to see the notes which I just given in the class. See here, if you just open this, you can just find out the notes whichever we have written in the class. This is how we can just download the notes and you can copy if you want later. Understood, beta? Clear? Understood or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
perfect. Hope you guys all are listening what I'm trying to say here.
Yes,
Kindly
sir.
listen it. Okay, yes. So let's back to so let's go with question paper discussion now. So just a minute, guys. I think I have to connect this thing with 1 second. Yeah. So look at this. Yeah. See, guys, like in the question paper, if you open the topper, I think you can see the solution as well. But in fact, no problem. We will discuss the question paper every weekend if you have any doubt. So let's go with the question paper discussion. Okay. So are you guys ready? Shall we start with the question paper discussion?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Look at this here. The values of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct real roots. I told you that a distinct real root is nothing but we have a condition called a discriminant greater than 0. In fact, isn't it? Discriminant greater than 0. The first question. What is the quadratic equation given to you? What is the quadratic equation given to you? Just x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0. Distinct and real roots. Distinct and real roots. So for this, we just given you the condition called discriminant must be greater than 0. See, I just gave you better discriminant is greater than 0 is nothing but you will be having distinct and real roots. If discriminant less than 0 is nothing but what? Imaginary roots. If discriminant is equal to 0 means real and equal roots. All right. So these are the basic, distinct, and real,
Discriminant means what?
distinct and real. 1 second. This not real roots, which is nothing but imaginary roots, and uh, equal and real roots. Real and equal. You say real and equal roots, or you say here distinct and real, like so, right? Real and distinct. You can say real, real and distinct. Distinct is nothing but different, and discriminant is nothing but better. Look at it. Discriminant formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this must be greater than 0 when when he has given you that, when you when he gives you real and distinct condition. 1 second. When he gives you real and distinct, you must use discriminant greater than 0 condition. All right. So b square, what is b here now? If I compare this quadratic equation with a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from this, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to k. So if I use this condition here, so b square is nothing but what? Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a into c greater than 0. Clear? So 16 minus 4k greater than 0. So look at this here. So what is the condition? 16 greater than 4k. So 4 ones 4, 4 greater than k. All right, 4 greater than k, or you say k is lesser than 4. Both are correct, isn't it? Yes or no, people? Isn't it? So guys, Truvanya and Sairam. What is your name? Sairam. Am I correct? Sairam only. Who has joined new today? Sairam. What is that? Who is that? Sai. I think with 1 second. I have to call Sai Charan. Sorry, Sai Charan. Am I correct, Sai Charan? Your name
Yes.
is Sacha. Yes. Understood, Saicharam, what we are going. Have you ever heard about the lesson called quadratic equation before? Or this is the first time you are hearing about the topic name?
Sir, I have heard the topic name, sir, but I don't know the content.
Okay, you don't know the content. So make sure that you are going through that lecture today. It's a pretty simple topic. I'm sure you're going to understand it well. Uh, you're going to understand this very easily. You will understand it very easily, but make sure that you are going uh, through each and every lecture by day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow again you will be having class, right? So meanwhile you just go through all the recordings, so that you can understand it. Okay, so I think you have 4 to 5 lectures, so go through that. You can just listen with the 2 speed, you just have a 1.52 speed, and you can listen the class and finish it up. It's not a big deal at all. Okay, clear? So you'll understand everything. So discriminant is better. Why do we use discriminant? Basically, we use discriminant to determine the nature of the roots. Okay, to determine the nature of the roots, we use a discriminant concept. So if he has given the roots, look at this here. What he has given here, he has given that it has, look at this here, one second, I think it has distinct and real roots. In the first question, the quadratic equation has distinct real roots. Distinct real roots is nothing but I gave you a condition. When we use when discriminant is greater than 0, we use, one second, one second. What happened? Yes, look at this. So when we have distinct and real roots, we use discriminant greater than 0 condition. So that is what I used here. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0, and b value minus 4, a value is 1, c value is k here. So 16 minus 4k greater than 0. So 4 greater than k, or 4 less than, sorry, k less than 4. Which option is going to be correct now? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? So
No,
everything
sir.
he has given a solution here. Now, next question. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Okay, and now his age is equal to square of his son's age. Their present ages are dash. Look at this. So let me just copy this question. So look at this here, very good question, very simple question. How many of you did this question in the exam? So very interesting question. I think you guys have already gone through this particular type of questions, I'm sure. Look at this here, what he has given here. 1 year ago, a man is 1 year ago. 1 year ago means he's talking about 1 year back. Okay, 1 year back. So 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to square of his son's age. Present ages are what? Look at this here. First of all, let the present age of present age of present age of the sun, or you say present age of sun, is equal to x. Okay, present age of sun. Let the present age, let the present, you write, let the present age of his son is what? X. Let the present age of the sun is x. Now, so what would be the age of uh, okay, so what would be the age of present age of the father? Present age of the man, you say. What is the present age of the man? What would be the present age of the man now? Tell me.
Sir, 8x.
8x. So now 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, then 1 year ago, son's age is what?
X minus 1.
X minus 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, man's age is equal to 8x minus
8x minus.
Clear? Now what he has given here, look at this here, what he has given. Now his age is equal to square of his son's age. Now his age is equal to square of, look at this. Now man's age. So 8x minus 1 is equal to what? His age is equal to what he has given here. What he has given?
X minus 1 whole square.
Um, where is that? 8 square of son's age. Square of son's age. Look at this here. Where is that? x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Guys, am I recording this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 8x minus 1 is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? So look at this here. You will get a quadratic equation, x square minus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. So how can we just go to, how can I just simplify this? This quadratic equation I got. How can I simplify this? Quick,
Sir, 1 minute.
quick.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Can you show the quadratic equation once again?
Yes, sir. Can you show it again?
Yeah. What happened? I'm sharing this. Oh, here. Yes.
Sir, but this cannot be solved by splitting the middle term.
Yes. Splitting the middle term method. Look at this here. Then is there any mistake we made? No.
So like,
Yes. Look at this here. What he has given here. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. But what we have taken in the question? Look at this here. Observe here. Is it the terms which we take? Is this correct? Is it correct? Check once.
It should be x plus 1.
it should be x square, sir.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this here. The present age of the sun is what? The present age of the sun is what? First of all, let us take the 1 year ago ages of the sun and men. Okay, sun and men. 1 second. Let us write like this. Look at this. The 1 year ago, sun's age is how much? Let's say x plus 1.
X minus 1, sir. X minus 1, right?
Look at this here. So x minus 1, x plus 1. Tell me. 1 year ago.
So x minus 1, right?
Think and tell me. How many of you say x minus 1?
X minus x plus 1.
How many of you are saying x? Think. Don't say simply. Think. Very simple question. Yes, we are not getting quadratic equation. Guys, whenever you solve the question yourself, make sure that you are solving with a regular method. Definitely many of you will go with a regular method only. But there is a small twist in the question. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. And now his age is equal. Now look at here. Read the question. Now his age is equal to square of his son's age. The present ages are what? He is asking us to find present ages. 1 year ago, man is 8 times as old as his. So 1 year ago is what is the age of them? Tell me. Quick. No. Fine. Close it. Muse.
Sir, it is x minus 1 only, sir.
1 second. Many of you are giving A option. Let's see. Look at this here. So get a 1 year ago sun's ages. For suppose let's say that you are rating x plus 1. 1 year ago. Okay. 1 year ago, x plus 1 you are saying. Okay. So man's age is going to be what? 8x plus 1.
Plus 1.
Now present age is going to be what? This is 1 year ago. 1 year back it was like something like that. Okay. And now how much it is going to be now after 1 year? As per that, like someone was saying that x minus 1 and someone was saying that x plus 1. How many of you say x plus 1 and how many of you say x minus 1?
X plus 1, sir.
Sir, it's x plus 1.
It is, look at this here. Where is that? Should be, look at this, it should be x and 8x. Can I say x and 8x?
Yes, sir, it should be 8x.
Now look at this 1 year ago. Dekho, with a common sense, basic thing. 1 year ago, it was like this, x and 8x. That is what as per the question given, according to the question. According to the question, look at the 1 second. According to the question. And percentage. This is 1 year ago. Now percentage is nothing but after 1 year, right? So x plus 1 year, 8x plus 1 year. Correct? Am I correct now?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Is it matching now? Look at this here. 1 year ago, if it is x and his man's age is 8x, and it was 1 year ago, right? So now after 1 year, how much it becomes? X plus 1, x plus 1. Am I correct? Understood the statement? Understood the statement or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is very simple now. Why it is jumping again and again? I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. So now what he has given as per the report, as per the question, what he has given. Now his age is equal to square of the sun's age. His age is equal to square of his sun's age. So his
So we
age.
can take 8x plus
Yes.
1 is equal to
8x
x
plus 1 is equal to x plus 1
square.
whole square.
Whole square.
So 8x plus 1 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2x. Small chotu logic here, which is minus 6x, and this will get cancelled. What is the answer is going to be now? Tell me.
0 and 6.
0 and 6. X, if I take x common, look at this here. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Now present is, now tell me which one I supposed to consider here?
So 6 because the sun's age couldn't be 0. Right?
Look at this here. So present is, so 7 comma 49 is the answer. Look at this. 0 can't be, you can't consider this.
Like the
So,
1 year later it was 6, so percentage is x plus 1.
yeah. So 1 year back it was 6, and after 1 year, percentage is going to be what? Present, therefore.
Yeah, one
present-
doubt, sir.
One second. Let us finish this. Present age of the sun is equal to x plus 1, right? We took x plus 1, so 7 years. So present age of the man is equal to 7x plus 1. Am I correct? 7 into 6 plus 1, which gives me 40. 743. Tell me, someone was saying something. Sorry, this is 8x. 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 8x, right? So 49 years. Okay, 47 comma 49 years is the right answer. Clear or not?
Sir.
Very
Also,
simple.
can you
Yes.
just go up once?
Yes, Shreyan, tell me. Yes, I'll do that. Where do you want me to go? Here?
Yes,
Make it
sir.
fast, quick.
And you can go down.
Yes. Tell me, Shreyan, you was asking something. Understood now clearly, guys? See here, many students, I know that many students will make a mistake. Even I was solving in that way when no one was saying something, anything. Simply, guys, read the question properly. That is what I'm telling you, read the question properly. Yes, you will get to the quadratic equation where you cannot even split by using middle term method. So make sure that you are taking it properly. And someone was saying, yes, Rain, tell me, come on, make it fast.
Sir, 1 year ago they told, sir, we can do, we should do -1, no, sir, as per means if we did the polynomials.
Look at what happened. Yes,
But
yes.
but
What
why
happened
here we
was,
took plus, sir?
look at plus illada, not plus. Look at this here. The concept here is why we have taken is, if I take your 1 year ago is 1 year ago. Look at this. He has given 1 year ago. He started a question with 1 year ago. Look at this. Started a question 1 year ago. Man was 8 times as old as his son. So if I take 1 year ago, age is X. 1 year ago,
Okay.
1 year back, if it is X. Imagine 1 year
Okay.
back, 1 year back, it is X. Son's age
Okay.
is X. And his father's age is like when man's age is how much? 8x. That is what
8x.
given.
8 times as old as son.
Yes. So now means present. Present his age is equal to
Okay.
square of the
Okay.
sun. Now present is nothing but what? 1 year ago is talking about. 1 year ago it was. Present is nothing but what?
Plus.
1 year ago. Present is nothing but what? He has, look at this. 1 year ago, you say, for suppose Shreyan was 13 years old. 1 year back he was 13 years old. Now percentage is nothing but what? Percentage. 1 year back it was
15.
13. Now percentage is nothing but what? Plus
Plus
1
1
or
is
not?
14. Plus 1, 14.
That is what? Percentage is plus 1 plus 1.
Okay.
Understood now basic
Okay.
example?
Okay, sir.
Imagine. Did you
Yes.
imagine that? Yes, very
Yeah,
simple.
sir. Means after doing so many questions in linear equation, this type this doubt I got.
Very
Means
good.
in school we have done that.
Now look at this here, what he has given here. Find the value of A. Find the value of A such that x is equal to 3 is the solution of the given quadratic equation. So very simple, but what you have to do here. So look at this. X is equal to 3 is the solution. Substitute here and equal to the 0. That's it. You will get the answer. One second, guys. You know, it is troubling me. My screen is troubling actually. I don't know. It is jumping here and there. My goodness. Oh, is it clear now? Yes. Now find the value of a such that x is equal to 3 is a solution of this. So look at this here. What he has given ax square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 is a solution of this. So which is nothing but what? A 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9a plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9a is equal to minus 9. So 9 will get cancelled. A value is minus 1. So answer D is correct. Any doubts, beta? Very simple. Isn't it a very simple question?
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Yes.
It's a
No,
fantastic.
sir.
Now look at this. Now one of the roots of the quadratic equation is then the find the other find the quadratic equation. One of the roots. How many of you did this?
I've done it, but I've gone wrong.
Sorry.
I've done it, sir.
Okay.
But
Yes. What about others?
I don't know whether it is correct.
Yes. What about others? How many of you did this question? How many of you
Yeah, I've
understood? Yes.
Sir, I also did.
Tell me,
I
Aditi.
also did.
Yes. Tell me, Aditi. How did you solve it? I think it is showing something different. Let us fill it out here. Tell me. Are you here or not? Yes. How many of you solved it? Those who have solved, you can just feel free to express. No problem. If you don't understand it, I'll explain it. Just take it easy. No problem. How many of you done it? Can you raise your hand, guys? Hello. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you all? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you done that? I think someone is talking, but I can't hear them. Who's talking? Array, very simple. Yeah. How many of you did it?
Sir, I did it.
Yes. How did you solve it, beta? Make it very simple. Like very simple logic here. How did you solve it? Don't waste my time. Make it fast. If you don't explain, I'll go for that explanation. If you are ready to explain, I'll just tell you.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
if
Aditi.
one of the root is 2 plus root 3, then the other one will be 2 minus root 3, and then I just added them both.
It's fine, Aditi. Yeah. So very good, very good. So one of the quadratic equation whose root is what? 2 plus root 3. Given what? One root. 2 plus root 3. Other root is going to be what?
2 minus
Other root is
root 3.
2 minus root 3. Okay. So look at this here. Then what exactly how can I find out the quadratic equation, beta? He has given roots and we need to find out quadratic equation. For that we had a formula. What is that? X square minus
All
Alpha.
alpha plus beta. Look, let us write. If I take alpha, let alpha
Sir,
comma beta. One second. Let alpha comma beta are the roots. Okay. Let's say alpha comma beta are the roots. So what was the equation for the x square? Minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is what now? If I consider this as my alpha, if I consider this as my beta, now look at x square minus 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 into x plus, so 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. So minus root
Sir,
3
but
plus
how
root
do I
3.
know the other root is 2 minus root 3?
One
yes,
second. Let me explain it. So x square minus 4x plus a square. A square is nothing but what? 2 square. 2 square is 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus think what's happening here? I got x square minus 4x. Guys, can you see what I'm writing here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Option, which option is correct now? Option C is correct. See here, beta, whenever you have given only one root, other root would be conjugate to other. Understand my point? If one root is this one, other root will be conjugate. If it is plus here, other root will be minus. Understand my point? Let's say that if I give one more root like this, 3 plus root 4, then this is one root. Another root is what? 3 minus root 4. You will be learning this concept again in class 11th as well. If one root is given to you, other root will be what? Conjugate to other.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, someone is asking something.
Sir, yes, sir. Me, sir. Sir, I have one question, but not this out of means this lesson, sir. But I have one question doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, can I tell the question, sir?
Can you please ask one as soon as we're done with the question paper discussion? Can you please come back through that? Can we come back to that?
Yes.
Let us finish these questions first. Let us not go through beyond this question paper. Once we're done with that, we'll go for that. Okay. Let us
Okay.
not miss the track. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. So better look at this here. Where is that question? Yes. Yes, someone was asking, but if whenever you have something like that, if one root is a plus, because if one root is a plus root b, then other root be what? A minus root b. Clear? Understood my point? So basically, let me give a try. Look, for suppose you have an equation like this: x square minus ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay, you have something like this. If I take which values of uh, a and b gives me 0 here. Which values of a and b gives me 0? Tell me. Very simple. Look at this here. If I have 2 plus root 3, one equation, 2 plus root 3 whole square into a, 2 plus root 3 into a plus b is equal to 0. Now, what is the values of a and b? Has to be equal to 0. How can I get a equal to 0 here? Tell me now. Let a is equal to anything. Let a is equal to 4 and b is equal to what? 1. Kavya, for you, I'm explaining you again. Those who have doubt, I'm explaining you again. Let a is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. Let it look at this 2 plus root 3 whole square minus a is equal to 4. 4 into 2 plus root 3, okay, into here ax, right? Already told I got. So 2 plus root 3 into a plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this now. A square plus b square plus 4 root 3 minus 8 minus 4 root 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now tell me. Now what was our answer? What was the answer? Sum of the roots is what beta here? Sum of the roots is what I got from this quadratic equation. Sum of the roots what I got? Hello, sum of the roots is what? 4. Product is what? 1. So now I must get the same. Now look at this here. So 8 plus root 3 minus root 3 will be getting cancelled. So look at this. What I got here now.
Plus 4 minus 4.
How much I got? 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Is equal 0 is equal to 0. So which means a value is 4, b value is 1. A value is 4, b value is 1. So whatever the values I took, they are correct. They are satisfying. With this equation, with this quadratic equation, they are satisfying. Sir, why did you take this quadratic equation only? Why did you take that quadratic equation only? Because my answer I got like this, right? Now I took in the form of this equation. Isn't it looking like a square, x square minus ax plus b? Isn't it looking like that, beta? Or you say a square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is also fine. Absolutely. Understood, Kavya ji?
Yes, sir.
So this is what this equation is looking like this. So whenever you have one root, take conjugate of that. Understood my point? So 8, 2 plus root 3 whole square minus, if I substituted here, and I took values of a and b like this. Why you took like that? You can take any other value. You can take any other value, but I took the values of a and b in terms of
satisfying with this quadratic equation. If I take those values, then only I'll be getting 0 is equal to 0 here. Understood my point? So at last, what I understood? What I understood here, x values I took 2 plus root 3. X values I took 2 plus root 3. Since he has given 2 plus root 3 as one root. Another root is what? Very simple. To get 4 and 1 beta, I need to get 4 and 1 here. When would I get 4 and 1? If I take another root as 2 minus root 3. All right. He has given one root called 2 plus root 3. If I take another root 2 minus root 3, I'll be getting my answer very simply. Hope it is clear with you all. So next question.
Yes, sir. Clear.
I'll give. We will be giving you more question on this same. So that you will be understanding that. I think. Hope you will be getting the same question. Just a minute. Next question. But a very good question. And next, look at this here. Where is the question? Solve this one. Solve for x. 15x square minus 7x minus 36 is equal to 0. How do we solve that, beta? We just simply factorize that. Or factorization. How can we factorize that? We can factorize that. We can factorize that by using what?
Splitting the middle term.
Splitting the middle term. Can we use splitting the middle term method? You can use, but I don't think so. You will find out splitting the middle term. It takes time. Simply you use quadratic formula method here. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Understood or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
So which hope everyone solves this. 15x square minus 7x plus 36 is equal to 0, isn't it? Minus 36 plus 36 minus 36. So minus b minus is the minus plus or minus square root of b square. B square is nothing but what? Minus 7, 49. Minus b square minus 4ac. 4 into 15 into c.
2160.
So divided by 2 into a. 2 into 15. So look at it, 7 plus or minus 49 plus so 60 into 36.
2160, sir.
2160. Very good. Yeah, 36 into 6 is 216 and 10 we are adding there by 60. Guys, understood or not? Multiplying all this, it gives me 2160. Hope it is clear with you all, people.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear with you all or not? Any doubts here?
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yes, 1 second. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So in the left side you wrote 2 into 15, right? So then how is that 60? I don't understand.
15 4 60.
Achha, okay, it's 4.
Yeah, where? Divided by
Like,
30. I wrote wrongly.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So 49 plus how much here? 9 0 2 2. So 22090 by 30. So what is the answer now? So what is the square root of this?
7 plus or minus 47.
7 47. What is the square root of
plus or minus 47?
Plus or minus 47. Very good. So by 30. So now we will be taking one condition as 47 plus 47 by 30, and which means how much?
54 by 30.
54 by 30. So 54 by 30 is nothing but what, beta?
18 by 10. 18 by 10.
6 9 6 5.
9 by 5.
9 by 5. Very good. And now if I take 6 minus 47 by 30, I have plus or minus here, right? I take
minus
1
4 by
and 1 minus. So how much? Minus
4 by 3.
So minus 40 by 30. So 0 will get cancelled. Minus 4 by 3. So these are my answer now. Very simple, beta. Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next question. It was a very small question. Option B is correct. Yeah. So a 2-digit number is such that product of its digit is 12, and when 9 is added to the number, then the digits interchange their places. Interchange their places. Okay, find the number. How many of you did this? Very simple question. How many of you did this question, guys? How many of you did this question? Very good. Can you explain that? A digit is, 2-digit number. Very good. Someone is Akshara B given. Yes, Akshara, can you explain this? How did you do this? 2-digit number is such that product of its digits is 12, and when 9 is added to that number, there is no digits will interchange in their places. Tell me, Akshara.
Actually, I didn't do it, sir.
You didn't do that? Okay.
added 9 to all the numbers.
Okay. Yes, Aditi, tell me, Aditi, how did you solve that?
Sir, actually, I did it in the process that let the two numbers be x and y, then the original number be 10y plus x, and the reversed one should be 10x plus 5.
Very
And
good.
then
With
we
the
can
position.
just write
We need to multiply. Yes, we need to multiply with their positions. If you go at that point,
Yes,
it's a
sir.
very simple question. Yes. What about others? How many of you did that?
I did it in the same way.
Who is that?
Bhumika.
Yes, Bhumika. Can you explain that again?
Sir, first I took the digits to be x and y, and then the original number will be 10y plus x. And when we reverse it, it will be 10x plus y.
Very good.
Should I explain further, sir?
Not an issue. Not an issue. No, that is fine. That if you just gone through that, it is pretty simple. After that, it is a very simple question need to be done. Very simple. Look at this. Let me explain you all. Those who are facing a issue still, let me write here. I think I have to copy this question. Yeah. That this is the first, since it's the first time I'm explaining all the questions. Otherwise, I'll not take much time to. So why it is coming like this? I'm unable to copy the question properly. Okay. See, this is the problem I'm facing with. Okay. So 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 12. When is 9 added to the number? Interchange. Okay. No problem. Let me write the question here. So product of the number given what he has given? What he has given? Product of the digits. Product of digits is equal to 12 given. So let the 10th digit of the number is equal to x. Okay. Understood my point? Given that product of the digits 12, then units digit is going to be what now? Units digit is going to be what, beta? Else you write like this. Units digit is equal to what? 12 by x or not? But a product is equal to 12, then this multiplication, because here x into 12 by x, then only I'll get 12, isn't it? Understood my point?
Yes.
It's a very simple, guys. I'm not able to erase beta. 1 second. There is a problem from my side, I think. Yeah, now I think I can erase it easily. Yeah. So product unit digit is 12x and 10th digit is x82. Okay, very simple. So now what he has given? This number can be written as how? How can you write this? 10th digit. 10th digit is nothing but 10 into x. Plus unit is nothing but what? 1 into 12 by x. Clear? Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
So now what he has given, and 9 is added to the number, then digits interchange their places. 9 is adding. We are adding 9 here. So if I add 9, look at this here. Okay, if we are adding 9, digits will interchange. Adding 9, digits will interchange. So which is nothing but what now? So look at this. Adding 9 is nothing but 10x plus 12 by x plus 9, which is equal to find the number. I need to find out that number. Okay, I need to find out that number. Very simple. So very good. So if I just go with If I go with this quadratic equation, you'll be getting very easily. Look at this here. In digits or interchange is nothing but what I'm going to write, which is equal to what?
12x into 10 plus 10.
Sorry.
12x into 10 plus x.
What is the meaning of that basically?
Like ones become tens and tens become ones.
Yes. Interchanging, guys. How many of you catch that point? People.
I got
I
it.
didn't.
Yes, very good. Guys, are you able to understand? Every one of you. Very, very interesting question, beta. See here, the question whenever we solve in the class, it will be easy to medium level question. But in examination, I'll be giving you somewhat difficult questions only. But because difficult is nothing but, for the first time you're solving, you might feel somewhat difficult. But it is a very simple question actually. Very simple question. Or else, sir, why you're doing all this? Why you're doing all this? Look at this. Let us simply write like this. Guys, can you see I'm scribbling something here? Hello?
No, sir.
You can't
No,
see? Okay. So no problem. So if you just guys look at this here, in digits are interchangeable. After interchanging, you will write one more quadratic equation here and solve this and this left hand side, right hand side, you will be getting one quadratic equation. After solving that, you will be getting a quadratic equation. If I factorize that, you will get x value. So from that, I can get the number. That is one method, but I will not suggest that method. We will solve in a simplest way. We can solve even simply. We can solve in a very more even a simple method. Let me tell you what is that method is. What is that method is? Okay, one second. Yes, you can solve that. This is method 1 and method 2. Let me solve. Guys, I'm sorry. Actually, today problem from my side. I'm not able to write with the pen, in a neatest manner. Okay, no problem. First, you take units digit. Let units place or units place. You say x. Okay. Okay, x. Yes, you take anything y, no problem. Units place x and y, you say. So what is the original number is going to be, as someone has said that, I think Bhumika has explained. The original number is what, beta? And Aditya also explained. Original number is what, beta?
10y plus 6.
10y. Look at it here. 10y plus x. Correct? Reverse. Reverse it what? What if you reverse it, what happens?
10x plus
10x
y.
plus y. Very simple. What happens here, beta? Look at this here. Units digit is going to tens. Tens digit is coming to unit digit. So that, I'm just multiplying with the positions. Look at this. Units digit is into 1. So into x. Into 1, plus 1 into x. Tens digit. So 10 into y. All right. Here also same thing. Unit digit was y and tens digit was x. So multiplying with the 10. Guys, already you might have solved this type of sums in the last year. So adding 9. Look at this here. What happens? 10y plus x plus 9 is equal to 10x plus y. So simplify this now. 10x minus 1x. So which is nothing but 9x minus 9y and is equal to 9. So x minus y is equal to 1 or not? Taking 9 common and cancel both sides. Understood, guys? Or else let me write in a neatest manner. So 9 into x minus y is equal to 9. 9 will cancel. X minus 1 is equal to 1. So what he has given? Also given that product is equal to 12. So x product is nothing but what? I took two numbers. All right, units place and that product is 12. Clear? Okay, 2-digit number, right? 2-digit number, units place, whatever you say. The product is what? XY, right? So 12. So now we know that what we know here, beta. How many of you know this formula? A plus B whole square formula is equal to, I think I explained to the people who are in the 9th standard. They were along with me. I just explained to you guys. A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB formula. How many of you know this?
I know this, sir.
Very simple, beta. If you simplify both the things, you'll be matching with that. This is the formula. Okay. So where is this? Yes. Now look at this here. Just use this now. So x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4 times of xy. Correct? So we know all the values here. We know all the values. We need to find out x plus y whole square. So x minus y, how much I got? X minus how much I got? 1. Right? 1 whole square. 4 into xy. Xy how much? Xy how much?
12.
So x plus y whole square is equal to 1 plus 40, 12, 4, 48. So x plus y whole square is equal to 49. Now x plus y is equal to what? Square root of 49. Clear?
Sir.
Isn't it? Square root of 49 I got. So x plus y is equal to how much? 7.
7.
Very simple.
7.
X plus y is equal to 7 I got here, and x minus y is equal to 1 I got here. Okay, so first equation, let us consider this as first equation, and let us consider this as second equation. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. If I solve 1 and 2, isn't it very simple? You can drink like water very simply. Very simple method actually. I'm not doing any big steps here. Very simple. Make it perfect. That's write with the clarity. Write with the clarity. That is the reason it's taking much time. If I add this to 2x is equal to 8 beta, x is equal to how much beta? 4. So substitute from the first equation. Look at it. X minus y is equal to 1. So x value is 4. 4 minus y is equal to 1. So y value is what beta? 3. Correct? Isn't it? Understood? From the first equation, x minus y
Yes.
is equal to 1. I substituted. Sir, why did you substitute in the first equation? You can substitute anywhere. I got x value beta. For getting y value, I can substitute any one of the equation. Okay. So what is the original number now? Therefore, original number is what? So substitute original number is what? Original number is equal to what? 10y plus x. Am I correct? 10y plus x or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Original 10y plus x. After reversing, it becomes 10x plus y, but original number is 10y. So 10 into y. Y is what? 3 beta x plus 4. 30 plus 4.
34.
Clear? Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Original number beta. And if I reverse the digits, this is a 2-digit number or not? 34 is a 2-digit number. If I reverse that, it becomes 43. Understood my point? Guys, let me know. Let me make you feel how we got this. Yes, look at it. 34 I got beta. If I reverse it, it becomes 43. How? 34 can be written as what beta? 3 into 10 plus 1, which is 4. Isn't it? 30 plus 4 gives you 34. Okay. So units, or else if you are not understanding like that, look at this. 1 into 4. So units plus multiplying with 1, tens plus multiplying with 3. Why? Because 3 is in tens, 4 is in units. So 4 multiplying with 1, 3 multiplying with the 10. Since it is in tens place, so 30 plus 4. I think you learned in 4th standard. I'm not, if I'm not wrong, you learned in 4th standard. All this. Clear? Now 43 is nothing but what now? 3 into 1 plus 10 into 4. So 40 plus 3, 44. All right. Our original number is what now? 34 is the right answer. So I'm just explaining you how we are, writing all that. Why we are multiplying with the 10 and why we are multiplying with 1 there. I'm just explaining you that. Clear or not? 34 is the right answer, beta. That is how, look at it, I got here. If you understand this, the original number is 10y plus x. If I reverse their digit, 10x plus y I get here. Okay. So no problem, beta. We will be discussing again these questions in the next class as well. And I think Sai Charan was asking some question, beta. You can ask your question now. Tell me your question. So we saw, guys, rest of the questions are very simple. Yes, I understand it was bit lengthy paper, but need not to worry, beta. Need not to worry. You have to solve this type of questions only. These are very beautiful questions. It takes time to finish all that. No problem. We'll finish up all these questions in the next class as well. But make sure that you guys also are solving the questions and go through the question paper once again. If you have any doubts, you come up with those doubts as well. Okay. Yes, Sai Charan, please go ahead with your doubt. Make it fast. I have next class.
In the equation, sir.
Sorry?
Static equation, sir. So here he gave that alpha plus beta equals to 1/4 and alpha into beta equals to -1. Sir.
Just a minute. I think I have to write. Oh, my pen is jumping, dancing, jumping, Japan. Okay. Now look at this. How it is jumping. How it is scribbling. Yes. Tell me, beta. Tell me the question. Make it fast, quick.
Alpha plus beta equals to 1/4 and alpha into beta equals to -1.
-1. Okay.
So here we need to find the equation, sir.
We need to find out quadratic equation. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Beta, look at this here. Alpha plus beta is how much given? 1 by 4. They are sum of the roots. Okay. So we need to, we know the formula. We know that. So we know that, look at this here. Formula called x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This formula can be written as what? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Okay. So x square minus sum is how much? Beta 1 by 4 into x. Okay. Clear? Product is how much? Minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this. 4x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 into 4 LCM, right? Minus 4 is equal to 0. This is your answer. Understood, Sai Charan? This is the formula to solve this question, beta. Okay.
Yes.
Understood my point? Understood or not?
Yes.
So now let's check whether the conditions given by him are matching or not. See, this is the quadratic equation I got, beta, here. Okay, this is the quadratic equation I got. Let's say that alpha, this quadratic equation has alpha comma beta are the roots. Okay, so now let's check. Now alpha plus beta, alpha comma beta are the roots. Now sum of the roots is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots formula is what? Minus b by a. Correct? Minus b is nothing but what here? Minus into b is what? Minus 1 by a. What is a here? 4. All right. So minus into minus 1, 4. So 1 by 4 or not? Matching or not? Check. Clear, guys? Understood? All other people understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir.
Alpha beta formula
Yes,
is what?
sir.
C by a. What is C here, beta? What is C here? Minus 4 by a.
Minus
A
4, sir.
What is a here? 4 only. So minus 4 by minus 4 minus 4. Look at this here. Again, he's match. Again, we know the quadratic equation which I found. From that quadratic equation, I can get back again, sum of the roots and product of the roots in such a way that, I can verify my answer very easily. Okay, understood? Hope it is clear with every one of you. And Sai Charan, it is clear with you, I think.
Yes, sir.
So this is the quadratic equation formula, beta. When do you use this formula? Whenever you have alpha plus beta or alpha beta. Okay, I mean alpha plus beta and alpha beta. If at all he is giving you, let's say alpha is 4 and beta is equal to 3, then also you can use this formula, isn't it? If he is giving you roots and he is asking you to find out a quadratic equation, in such cases, I'll be using this formula. Hope it is clear, Charan.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, beta. So this is what the today's session is all about. And Charan, Truvanya, and Satvik, Akshit,
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, Modita, I don't see Modita is talking in the class. I mean, responding in the class. I should see everyone is not responding in the class. Amatullah, I don't see you. You also. Did you give any answer, Amatullah here? Please try to give the answer, Amatullah. Okay, if at all you have any doubts, please try to come up with that. Mohit is not responding. Shreyan responding. Very good. So Dipsika responding. Akshara responding. Very good, beta. So everyone is responding. Rest of the people, and the people. Harini also responding. But I don't find Harini responded many times. I think one time she has responded. Aditi responding very good. Bhargav, which I don't know, Bhargav is not responding nowadays. Why? So please take care of this better. Take care of these small things. You must respond in the class.
Sir,
so
yes,
that
sir.
you will get it. You will get
Responding,
it.
sir.
Very good, Bhargav. So thank you, Sai Charan and Truvanya. Hope you understood the session which we have gone through so far. And make sure that you are going through all this. Okay? Understood, Truvanya?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.